I'm in my second semester. It's my first year at Vanier. I decided to come into computer engineering technology because I've always had an interest in working with computers, and I had taught myself how to build apps and games on my computer during my free time. That's how it started.
Hi, my name is Gianluca Del Torio. I'm in year 1, semester 2 at Vanier College. I'm a person who likes computers, who likes working with technological devices. I'm really a person who likes to use their hands as well, so I like to assemble things, put things together. That's why I chose computer engineering, because it covers all those aspects, so it's perfect for a person like me.
I know I had an interest in it, but I never really worked with it. There was one time in high school where I lightly touched programming, but that's about it. It was only in Scratch.
So far, the program is going really good. There's a lot of mini projects that we do and then one final project, so you really get to see how everything you're doing could make one big robot. This is basically my robot for programming. There's no name to it yet. It's just called it's a bipedal robot. Over here, it's a LED matrix display, and it has all different facial expressions that it could do. And I'm controlling it from my phone with Bluetooth. And every time you click it, a different random facial expression will come. This is the sonar mode. So basically, when it walks, it's actually reading the distance of how far something is in front of it. And when it reaches a certain distance, it'll stop walking.
So this is the project that I'm working on for this semester for my programming course. It's a remote control car that uses this infrared sensor, or this infrared remote here. You press a button, it sends a wavelength pulse basically to this infrared receiver, they call it. And then in short, it sends a command to this microcontroller called an Arduino. And the Arduino then processes the input from the infrared sensor and actuates the motors based on which button was pressed on the remote.
To be honest, I'm actually having fun learning some of the stuff. And for programming especially, there's so much to learn about that, and you could, there's other fields too that you could look into. It's an important skill, but also circuits, there's so much you could build with it.
Honestly, when I first came here, I was really intimidated because I felt that all the other students kind of had an upper hand, kind of knew what they were doing in this program. But after a while, I realized we were all on the same boat because we take all the classes together every single day. So we're together all day long, even on our breaks. Everybody helps everybody out. Nobody really makes fun of somebody because their project isn't working. Instead, it'll be okay, why isn't it working? And we'll try and figure it out together. It's kind of funny, but we want to make sure that everybody passes at the same time, you know?
My first day of CEGEP, obviously it's an adjustment, right? You're transitioning from high school to a new big place, college. You don't really know where to go, or the more time passes, the more you get acquainted with everybody, and the more you feel welcome. You feel you're more used to the environment.
There is this one thing that one of the teachers said, is that by seeing what you do, you gain confidence over time more and more. And seeing that, oh wow, I'm actually able to do this, it gives you sort of a confidence boost. I don't know how else to word it.
You could have codes of 300 lines long, and it won't work just because you're missing a semicolon. And it becomes it becomes invisible to your eye that you're missing that semicolon. But then once it works, it's that feeling, it's you can't even describe it. It's oh my God, finally, and you get so excited.
Initially, learning these things, I had a bit of a tough time, but I had an excellent teacher who helped us out and really got us to learn the basics and the fundamentals of these things.
I'm very proud of myself of what I have accomplished. If you would have told me, just to say last year when I was in socials, that I would have made so many robots and control them through your phone, making my own Wi-Fi, I wouldn't have believed you. So I find I grew a lot really fast. I'm really proud of myself on how much I did.
That's awesome.
Yeah.